confirm the readings on the A-pillar joint accuracy.
Confirmed. All joints are structurally sound.
Surface inspection complete. Pre-treatment looks good.
Acknowledged. Initiating paint sequence.
Seal alignment is perfect. Confirmed. Ready to proceed.
The left front brake temperature is spiking.
Confirmed. The hydraulic pressure is steady, though.
Let's maintain the load and monitor for 5 more minutes.
That checks out. Go ahead and sign off.
Confirmed. Confirmed.
Alignment on trailer 4 looks good.
Copy that. Send the signal for the next pull.
All restraints confirmed and within tolerance.
Clearance checks complete. Ready to sign off.
Carrier 7, confirm manifest Delta 9er. Ensure all units are secured before proceeding to checkpoint Charlie.
Carrier 1, schedule confirmed. Gates are open.
Synchronization complete. You are clear for departure.
Straps are secured and tensioned.
Clearance confirmed. All green on the manifest.
Manifest confirmed on the Zulus.
All right, pushing clearance now.
The current projection shows a delay here. We should utilize the bypass to avoid the bottleneck.
Agreed. Inform the...
All carriers, Wave Alpha is clear to proceed. Maintain synchronized speed and spacing. Over.
Lane 1, slow down.
Okay, lane 2, you can come forward now. Keep it moving.
Ensure the restraints on Unit 4 are double-checked before it hits the main road.
Confirmed. All clear for exit.
The count is accurate. Go ahead and confirm the transfer.
Transfer complete on the rugged terminal.
Everything looks correct on this shipment.
Yes, the VINs match the manifest. We are clear for departure.
Lead carrier hold position. Delta T stable. Convoy proceeding on schedule.
Sequence confirmed for Group B.
Timing looks optimal. Sending clearance now.
The data for the blue crossovers is updated here.
Confirmed. Route optimization looks good for the next leg.
All inbound carriers follow the designated route.
Sierra 2, divert to Bay 12. Confirm receipt.
Cross-referencing the paint data. Reflections are clear.
Confirmed. All electronic modules are responding within tolerance.
Bay 7 is clear for synchronization.
Copy. We show you at 90%. Over.
All green on charge status for row 7.
Acknowledged. We are initiating the outbound sequence for the first wave.
Confirmed. Sequence initiated.
Crossover 12 is approaching Gate 3.
Acknowledged. Routing confirmed.
Hold lane 3. The data stream is showing a bottleneck at the main junction.
Understood. Rerouting those units via bypass Charlie.
This one is fully charged and ready for the downtown loop.
Good. The data confirms the optimized route.
The flow rate on Sector Gamma is exceeding expectations.
Yes, the adjustments have clearly stabilized the throughput.
The final delivery network integration is complete. All vehicles cleared for dispatch.
Confirmed on the main terminal. We are good to go.
Final checks complete on alignment B. All green.
Good. Move them to charging station 4.
Production run 16 concludes with 0 errors.
Confirmed and logged. The batch is clear for release.